Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove echo in OBS. Let's first of all go to settings, audio, and then under global audio devices make sure that everything is disabled except the mic that you're using. So I'm using this microphone and that's the only one that is enabled. Right. Also under audio mixer here, you go to settings, right, advanced audio properties, and make sure the audio input capture is set to 0. Right. So I've put my mic volume to around 250%. You can choose whatever value that suits you here. I just chose 250%, but just make sure that here the audio input capture is set to 0. This will eliminate all the echo that you might think of. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.